Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing a backup drive of at least 2 TB formatted apps or macOS extended. Connect the drive using USB-C, Thunderbolt, or by joining the same Wi-Fi network as your Mac. Open System Settings and click Time Machine to enable backups. Click Select Disk and choose the connected drive. Toggle Automatic Backups to on so hourly backups occur when the disk is available. Confirm encryption is enabled if you want secure backups. Eject the drive safely after the initial backup completes successfully. Run the first backup manually and expect several hours for large data sets. Leave the Mac awake and plugged in to avoid interruptions during this initial copy. After completion, open Time Machine and browse recent snapshots to verify files and folders. Check that crucial folders like Documents and Desktop are present and readable. Maintain at least 2 backups on separate drives to protect against drive failure. Rotate or store one drive offsite to defend against theft or disaster. If you need to restore, boot into Mac OS Recovery and choose Restore from Time Machine Backup. Select the backup disk, then pick the snapshot date you want to recover. Follow on-screen prompts to restore the entire system or only user accounts and applications. To recover single files, reopen Time Machine while signed into your account and browse back to the desired snapshot. Select files and click Restore to return them to their original location. After restoring, verify system integrity and update Mac OS if necessary.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.